Hey guys, what's up? It's Jan. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, we will be going somewhere, but for now, this is what our province looks like. Char. So here we are. So we're currently at Kanin Sing at San Francisco, Camotes, Cebu. Char. So wala lang. My uncle is doing some kind of boat. So this is where they build the boat. Building, basta. That's my mommy, then that's my uncle there, and this is what they have done for a few months. It has a different kind of style of a boat. Char. Choy kay siya porma like or siya sa unang panahon. Charot. Patinuod man sad. So sa tinud-anay lang. I really thought na kaning video ma-record ang sounds or background noise ani. Unya wala dito. Oh my god, lutang na naman. Okay, so I'll just tell you what I remember around for this part. I was asking my uncle about the boat, and ambot nga nawa jud ko kabantay na dili day siya ma-record if nakasaksak siya sa selfie stick. Oh my god. So I'll just recall what I remember from the things that I asked my uncle. So first of all, it's my uncle Wilson, and he's the fifth of them siblings. He's also a mechanic. Sakto ba? Mekaniko. Basta he has also a shop for motorcycles. He fixes those motorcycles and cars with my cousins, and I'm asking at this part is how many months has it been since they building, kung kailan nila ginawa yung barko basta yung boat. And my uncle said that it's already around 6 months, if tama ang pagkaalala ko. I was so lutang, I really thought that it's going to be recorded. I also asked my uncle kung saan ito pabiyahe, or if this is for if panagatan ba siya or for tourists, and he said that it can do both. It can be a boat for tourists or para panagatan, and it would be traveling around Palawan, Boracay, I forgot, basta yun na yun. So that's my cousin over there, and I think they're having a break. Ewan ko kasi bakit kasi ay nako, I really thought that it would be recorded talaga. Disappointment 101, charot. Since some of the background noise was not recorded, so let's just have some fun here. Actually, there are a lot of crabs. See that one? Red yung color. So let's look for another one. Charot. So I'm just heading towards the sea. Tama ba yun? See that one? So around this part, if na-record pa lang unta, gingnan ako nila diri na dangog daw diri dapita. So nibalik ko sa agi. So one of my aunties just arrived. She's my auntie Jovi. she's second to the last of them siblings. So nanghimasa siya kay hugaw daw ang iya hatiil. And them at the background, sila si mama, then my uncle are warning her na dangog diha dapit. Gikan day siya sa lungsod, siya sa ukay-ukay shop, ukay-ukay store. Then niapas na siya diri namo sa kaninsing kay nitan-aw man mi sa barko na nihangyo ako uncle na amo lagi daw i-vlog. So, diri lang sa Kutob and gonna upload more videos soon. Thank you for watching.